Please introduce yourself and working experience.
My name is Isargan Bonton from Candaba, Pampanga, Philippines. I'm a single mother, one child, 4 years old. I'm 32 years old. I'm high school graduate. I have a working experience in the Philippines as an all-around housemaid. One family, one child, 2 years old girl. I do cooking, laundering, cleaning, and babysitting from January 2019 to January 2021.
If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My mother, sir.
Do you have someone who will take care of your family if you work abroad?
Yes, sir.
What time do you sleep and wake up when you work in the Philippines?
5 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
If in 1 week, how many times do you go to market?
2 times a week, sir.
How do you describe yourself as a mother?
As a mother, I am a hardworking, responsible, and loving mother, mom, sir.
Are you hands-on mom to your children?
Yes, sir.
Are you easygoing mom or a disciplinarian one?
I am a disciplinarian one, sir, ma'am.
In Philippines, kids are super active and sometimes they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will more patient and understanding to them, ma'am, sir.
In your previous work, how did you manage the children? And what are you going to do if the kids are too playful so you can work smoothly?
I will encourage to them some educational things, ma'am, like drawing and counting.
How would you describe your previous employer? Did they give you set of rules like and don't like to do, or is it up your style?
They gave me set of rules, ma'am, sir.
Is there another helper in your previous employer? What are your main duties?
None, ma'am, sir. My main duty is a babysitting only.
Could you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa, eating sugar, no, Papa.